And sometimes you just grab somebody and you wanna smash.
Are you ready?
Fighting power, guys. Today's video is going to be all about punching power. Now guys, you maybe don't have to be a professional fighter, but you as a man need to be able to throw a punch. Things might come at you, and when they're coming at you, you either learn to run or you learn to fight. And I know me, and I rather fight than run. So guys, if you want to learn how to just get some power behind those punches, you don't even have to train technique, just get a powerful knockout punch, this video is for you. 4 exercises that will make you knock people out faster than Tyson. First exercise, guys, medicine ball hooks. Now I'm not going to be training you in doing any jabs, guys. I'm going to show you how you build that knockout power. And a hook is a very dangerous movement. Whether you land it to the body or you land it to the face, if you have some power behind you, I guarantee you they are going to sleep. No doubt about it. And first exercise is going to give you that hook knockout power. That's how we do it, simple. You grab a mat ball, press it hard against your body, get in a fighting stance, get your hand up, and now twist. You want to be working from your obliques. You want to be twisting because the hook is not coming from your hand. The hook is coming from your ass through the core. Bam! Knockout. This is how you do it. Squeeze it hard against your body and you go 5 reps. Bah, 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 bah. And directly onto a bag. Bah, 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 bah. Trust me, guys. Do not underestimate this exercise. At this, you do only with your power hand. You don't have to do it with your jabbing hand. This is a power shot. This is supposed to be breaking ribs or breaking jaws. Second one, guys, rubber bands. This is an amazing tool in the gym. If you're not using this, you are losing out mad gains, guys. Now, uppercuts. Why is an uppercut good? Because sometimes you need to move out. Sometimes you need to move out from a punch, and an uppercut comes perfect in that. And sometimes you just grab somebody and you wanna smash him the fuck up, and that is where the uppercut comes in. And this exercise will give you better uppercuts than Tyson. Now, what do you wanna be thinking about in an uppercut? You are transferring power from your legs through your hips, generating power from your glutes through your core. So you wanna be punching from your leg. You wanna be punching so hard that your speed is almost lifting your leg off the floor. Da, da. There is full power. So you take strength from your leg, and this band is going to elevate that strength through the skies. Step on the band, decide your strength, your resistance you need, and you start hooking. Bah, 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 bah. Now the same like previous on the hooks. You only do this with your power hand. I'm not training fighters here. I'm just showing you how to protect yourself if somebody's coming at you, guys. Number 3, this is gonna blow your mind. Let's go. This third exercise, and believe me, you wanna see both this and the fourth one, because the fourth one is not specific for fighting, it's just a power generation exercise. But this one is specific for fighting. What it does, it teaches you how to rotation the core and anti-rotate the core in full speed. That means generating full speed to throw a punch, to throw a hook, or to throw a straight one. I don't even know what that's called, but I know that it's knocking people out if they come at me. Now guys, this one is more technical, so I will explain it to you for 30 seconds. You grab a plate and think cowboys. You're starting where the cowboy would have his pistol. And now, this hand is pulling towards your chest, and this hand is giving an uppercut, and you're coming back to the same hip you started. And then you're moving over to the other hip. And now you're doing the same thing, into the chest and doing an uppercut and coming back. Tuck, come back. Tuck, come back. Now what this exercise does, that the previous with the band doesn't, this trains your uppercuts from both sides. Because sometimes you might need to be throwing them from different angles. And this is how it looks in speed. Cha, 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 cha. Cha, 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 cha. Woo. Try this for cardio, guys. Now we're doing 2 things at once. Burning fat and learning how to knock people out. Perfect this exercise, and I guarantee you guys, not only will you get mad punching power, you will be getting mad obliques, because the obliques are in full speed twisting non-stop. This is an amazing exercise. Even if you don't want to learn to punch, it's a great ab exercise and a sick cardio exercise. I guarantee you that your heart rate will fly off the roof on this one. Now the fourth exercise, guys, is for you guys that prefer to run. This is going to teach you how to push somebody away and run away like a I'm joking. This is a power pushing exercise. Now in this gym, guys, we only have a medicine ball. This should be done on a slam ball that is smaller, but it works good on a medicine ball. But on a slam ball, it fucking burns you out. But I show you it is the same system on both types of balls. Now you're doing a push-up, you're doing an explosive push-up, and when you're coming up, you want to lift the ball off the floor as high as you can. You want it to stay in the air for as long as possible. This is how it looks in action, guys. Woo! Tell you guys, these 4 exercises, if they don't learn you how to punch, and if they don't burn fat like mad, unfollow me. But right now, subscribe, comment, like, and send to everybody you know that have a weak ass right hand, because they need this in their life. Let's grow, guys. Let's build men.